giving lot of opportunities to BA as everyone spoke about. And also I appreciate Coped team and all others, me and Rohit, my other team, like we attended the course. It was way back in 2014. Still we got an invitation. So I really appreciate the Coped team for that. So last 1-2 years it makes sense, but I don't think so. No institute will still remember like 8 to 10 years back students who have attended the course, and they will still be calling whether it is available for you or things like that. So I really appreciate Coped team for your efforts and organizing this event. So I know how much pain it will involve, because in my current company also I'll organize some meetings. So how much pain and effort it will take, I know. So I really appreciate team for all your efforts. Thanks a lot for that. So yeah, coming to my experience, so like everyone spoke about here, so there are quite up and downs in my journey. So basically I'm from teaching field. I have completed my MSc Mathematics. So as I was telling you, there was a lot of challenges in my life. Money crisis was there, and in the teaching field, when summer comes, we used to get a lot of pressure from the management. We don't know how many admissions will take place next year, so we won't give salary during the month, during the summer, so things like that. So I have gone through all those pressurized situations, money crisis and all. Then what I decided is I decided to change from my field from teaching to IT. So that is where I got opportunity into life insurance domain, where we used to do like core calculations. So although there is used to be a dedicated team at on-site, so they still need some assistance to do some groundwork. So basically I used to work there, and their management has given a good opportunity to clear the life insurance domain papers. So I cleared all my papers, but in every appraisal cycle, what used to happen is I used to get very frustrated. In spite of working 4 or 5 years in IT organization also, since we are from non-IT background, when I used to see my paycheck and appraisal letters, I used to get very frustrated. So in 5 years span, hardly my salary increased by 1 lakh. Then I was thinking like, what is the other options in the IT? Should I go to development team, or should I, what should be the other options? I was brainstorming myself like, what will be the other options and all. So I had one of my friend who left to Malaysia. So I was thinking he will be a good point of contact, since he was working with a testing team and he was a Malaysia at on-site, he was a manager. So I approached him. Then I got a suggestion from him that since you have life insurance, good knowledge and communication skills, he suggested me a BA course. Then he told me that he will only observe in his project. So I thought that his words, somehow I believed his words. Then I googled it. Like everyone over here, I got very good feedback about Coped Institute and all. So I went to Venkat sir. Then like everyone, I asked even, like, sir, I have a very good life insurance domain. I have a lot of certifications. Then I asked same questions like what other people have asked here. Then he told that you're having good communications, and this would suffice for you to getting into a BA role. So that is where I started my journey. So now I mean I am working in a very prestigious project. I don't want to tell the client name. So it is company name is DXC. It is a very prestigious project. So there are so many life insurance companies in US. So no one has succeeded till date in migrating 4 million policies. Although it is 4 million, it is not a small number. So many people are coming from different organizations here. At a ground level, this is the reality. So no company has converted 4 million policies. Our target is 7.2 million. So right now I'm still waiting to achieve that 7.2 million. Then only I will change my company. So there is a lot of learning over there. And also, when compared to my previous organization, the colleagues or the friends who are working over there, in terms of salary also, now I'm 100% more than them. So I'm very much satisfied from a compensation standpoint and knowledge-wise. So all the knowledge what I gained from Coped was very helpful. So now also I will take a lot of interviews for my team and other other projects in the company. So the knowledge what I gained is very important. So I referred so many team members who are working under me, and also other companies also whom I will take interview. So to go to Coped Institute for attending this course. So it was very helpful for me, and it changed my career. So I am in a good position now. I am very happy for that. So I am once again thankful for the Coped team and for everything they support they are given. And last but not the least, నేను లక్ష్మణ్ని కూడా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తాను. అది సొంత పేరెంట్స్ కూడా అలా చూసుకోరు, టైం టు టైం మంచిగా టీ ఇచ్చేవాడు. థ్యాంక్స్